Communication is key. Talk to your partner openly and honestly about your feelings, thoughts, and concerns. Practice active listening. Pay attention to what your partner is saying and try to understand their perspective. Show appreciation and gratitude for your partner. Let them know that you value and respect them. Learn to compromise. Relationships require give and take from both parties. Respect each other's boundaries. Discuss and agree on what is acceptable behavior and what is not. Make time for each other. Set aside quality time to connect and enjoy each other's company. Be supportive of each other's goals and aspirations. Encourage and motivate each other to achieve your dreams. Express your love and affection regularly. Small gestures of kindness and affection can go a long way in making your partner feel loved and appreciated. Learn to forgive and let go of grudges. Holding on to resentment and anger can poison your relationship. Be willing to apologize and take responsibility when you make mistakes. Avoid blame and criticism. Instead, focus on finding solutions to problems together. Maintain a sense of humor. Laughter is a great way to relieve tension and strengthen your bond.